Hey guys! In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 cookie stamps available on the market today. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the link in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Nordic Ware Heirloom Cookie Stamp. Nordic Ware's heirloom cookie stamps are an heirloom, traditional kitchen tool with a long-standing tradition. The top of the stamp is made of tin, and the handle is made of hardwood harvested from sustainable forests. These stamps come in a variety of shapes and sizes, but they all share one thing in common: to make delicious cookies. Each cardstock stamp is covered in puffy, food-safe paint that allows you to stamp multiple designs on your cookie. No more hoarding. With the heirloom cookie stamps, you can create holiday cookies like Santa's home or gingerbread men in a few seconds when time is short. You can continue to use the same stamps over and over again since they're durable, and they're designed with a tiny lip at the bottom of each image so that the image sticks to the surface of your cookies. There are many other cookie stamp designs and shapes including snowmen, reindeers, ducks, stars and more. Full sets come with wood handles as well as metal handles. There are also special shapes designed for smaller hands such as mini reindeer and snowmen, just to name a few. Whatever you decide to create, you will create delicious cookies in less time. These cookie stamps are made of cast aluminum with wooden handles and feature a non-stick puffy paint surface. They're durable and turn out perfect cookies every time. Also comes in a wooden handle set, which provides the same features as the normal one except it's made of natural hardwood instead of metal. They both hold up to the same standards of quality and durability that Nordic Ware has been known for over 50 years. You can also get cookie stamps that hold their shape better so you can make specific shapes. Number 2. Wetop Hand Press Cookie Stamp. Cake molds are one of the most interesting and fun baking tools to have on hand. One really cool use of cake molds is to create a mold with a shallow dish on it to make mooncakes or other desserts. It's called a mooncake mold and it has 6 sections in total. This is perfect for making any number of sweets with different patterns such as stars, flowers, hearts, animals or anything else you can imagine. This 6-stamp cookie press consists of one large cake press body which can be used for the low section, 2 short pressing molds which leave the 2 halves hollow after pressing in order to make an embossed pattern for your mix-ins. The 2 pressing molds are perfect for filling the 2 halves of the mooncake mold with a mixture, which can then be divided into individual sections by running each half through with a cookie stamp. You can now use these as a base for decorating or adding your own mix-ins. The molds are made from heavy-gauge aluminum and high-grade ABS plastic, which makes them very durable and easy to clean. They will not rust or dent and they are dishwasher safe. Some people like to completely detach the molds, while others prefer to leave them attached so they can still be used as mixing tools but also be used once more as the main product too. Make the best mooncakes using this tool with any type of mix-ins you would like. As you see in the images, some people use their own mix-ins such as cookies, biscuits, chocolate chips and fruit. Others include colored sugar crystals or colored icing paste to add decorations for a beautiful added effect. Number 3. Home X Cookie Stamp. One of the best gifts for baking or cooking can be found in this unique and extraordinary cookie stamps set. With this set, don't just bake your heart out but get creative with your designs too. This is a great gift for anyone who loves to bake and finally gets a little bit of personalization into their cookies. This set comes with 96 different cookie stamps that snap together in an organized fashion so you can spell out any name, message, wish or keep things as simple as just imprinting numbers onto your baked goods. A fun toy that will be sure to stimulate kids' interest in cooking. This baking set is made from quality plastic and will last for years of use. It comes with cookies that are about a ½ inch across so there's plenty of room to stamp, color and decorate them. They're made with non-toxic plastic that's safe for kids to play with. The different stamps are attached to each other by a large magnetic strip which means the whole set snaps together when you want it to. Kids can use this set on their own but they can also play together in groups of 2 or more. Number 4. Lost Ocean Moon Cookie Stamp. During the Mid-Autumn Festival, mooncake is one of the popular festival food on the table. But there are so many dough recipes that it is hard to choose one traditional mooncake recipe. So we find a suitable cooking method and provide you with a great Mid-Autumn Festival cake mold. In this article, we will introduce you to some of the most important features of this molds for mooncakes, their model number, size, material and color choices. Moreover, we will also talk about how easy it is to use them when making cake. It is made of high-quality polypropylene and it has been used to make cakes for more than 20 years. This polypropylene mold is very durable and easy to use. It can be used in the oven or microwave, and the pieces will not be broken even if you put too much pressure on the molds. When mixing cake, it will not debond easily so that you will not have problems when taking out the cake batter or filling the molds. We all know cakes have their own symbolic meanings, the most popular one being the moon. However, some people are confused about the Mid-Autumn Festival and its origin. They wonder why we eat mooncakes on this day. To answer that question, we need to have a brief introduction about Chinese traditional Mid-Autumn Festival first. The Mid-Autumn Festival originated from China's ancient time. It is said that during a war between Qiyu and Huangdi, Qiyu killed his mother and wanted to marry his father's wife, Nuwa. He also fought with his brother over the throne of heaven. Number 5. Hoipifi cookie stamp. No matter what your baking skill level, these alphabet cookie stamps and number cookie stamps will make your baking a breeze. They are easy to use. Just press them into the dough with a rolling pin. Transfer your desired design onto a prepared pan. Then bake for 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Whether you're an experienced baker who likes to experiment with new flavor combinations or an expert at making the same old thing week after week, these alphabet cookie stamps and number cookie stamps are just what you've been looking for. Whether you need upper or lower case letter shapes or numbers in any size from 1 to 9, or 0, we have all of your needs covered here. These alphabet cookie stamps and number cookie stamps are made of food-safe silicone which is BPA-free and non-toxic. Scraper edge of biscuit cutter is sharp, with no risk of cuts or nicks. The uppercase letter shape has a space at the center for embossing the cookies with a special embossing tool, not included, or with parchment paper.